Hey, this video is in response to a question from a viewer, Rottweiler, who thinks the guy who installed his unit may not have done this correctly. You need to open... Okay, you got two valve covers here. You need to remove these covers, and then there's an included hex wrench that you use to release the Freon into the system. I'm guessing your guy looked at the picture in the manual and only did the one they showed in the picture. You have to do both of them. So go out there, remove these two caps, and use a hex wrench that's included, and go counterclockwise all the way until you hear the Freon gas release. If they are both already fully counterclockwise, then you may have a different issue. But my guess is that guy only did the one on the top and did not do the one on the bottom. Hope this helps. Hit me up if it doesn't, man. Alright, have a good one.